Some deliveries come with a little extra maintenance.
Hi, how you doing? What's up, man? There you go. Okay, man. Yeah, you too, bro.
Still got it. This customer requested something very specific from her Amazon delivery driver. She needed him to hide her packages from her husband. This dog decides to go for a little walk. Luckily, the FedEx driver spots him and decides to make one more delivery. Whatever happened here, I hope it was worth the awkward explanation.
You are welcome.
He's alright, mate. That's alright, no worries. Cheers, buddy. He's alright, he won't come out. Cheers, mate. Nice one. Thanks a lot. Dexter, come here. Don't run, mate. Don't run in. Come and get that. Stop running. Stop running. Mate.
This delivery driver learned that the woman who lived here was a widow. So instead of just dropping off her package, he decided to shovel snow for her. Now that's going the extra mile. This delivery man decided to carry a sled to work. As soon as this driver spots the treats left for him,
What?
he couldn't contain his excitement.
Go back to your car. That's fine.
Most people would run from a bear. This delivery driver decides to scare it away. This tiny dog wants to join UPS. DoorDash driver forgets to pull the handbrake. He doesn't realize his car is rolling away until...
Dude, if your car's a stick, it is rolling away. I just saw it on camera. You might want to go grab it. It's like your car is rolling away.
This nice UPS driver covers the package with plastic to protect it from rain. Best delivery ever. This delivery driver rings the bell and then notices the sleeping baby sign.
Hello, buddy. Oh, dog, it's coming.
Yeah, she's friendly, don't worry. She's just
Dog, it's intact. No!
Don't worry, she's friendly, she's friendly.
This Amazon driver hides packages from plain sight.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If you saw that, I apologize. Oh my God.
This dog gets scared of the Cocoa Bot, so
Oh no! Stop it.
poor guy just wanted to greet him. This delivery driver makes a small mistake and leaves the drink right in front of the door.
I'll make sure you get his tip.
Oh, no.
I think you guys deserve it.
These officers decided to deliver the groceries to an old lady after arresting the delivery driver.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This pizza delivery guy sees an opportunity.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Hi. I currently don't care because I'm Amazon! Amazon!
This delivery driver notices the poisonous rattlesnake and brings tools. He uses a rake and shovel to kill it. Imagine making deliveries on Thanksgiving and getting invited in for dinner.
I don't know what everything is. That's mac and cheese, that's stuffing, that's beans. We got turkey over here. Oh, you got those are potatoes. You gotta have some of that. And then tell me what kind of. I don't want to do it myself. I'm sorry. Oh, we got the dishes. I mean, honey, you got. Don't worry, he's bringing. He might jump in your car. Yeah, there you go. Dude, sure, buddy.
I got dogs too, so it doesn't bother me.
Sure, bud.
His customers get some extra attention.
No! No!
Someone is in a very Christmassy mood.